how to add YouTube link to Facebook. So this is just a made up YouTube account that I have made. So just click on this right here and then just copy the link. Click on this copy link right here and then we can add it to Facebook. So in order to add it, you can click on the three lines, click on your name right here, then click on these three dots and then click on this edit option. From in there, scroll down. You can see in here the details and we can see in here also the link. Click on this edit your about info and then click on this right here. You can add your website or you can also add it the existing website that you already have. Now from in there, let's click on this add social link and then we can see in here or click on this platform, choose YouTube and then from in there just add in here the link. Now once you have added right here the link, you can also head over and then just remove some unnecessary links right here, like for example this equals after tab. And then once you have added that, you can head over and then add it officially and then click on the save option right here. Make sure also that you can only include the username and not the things that is not actually needed. So from in there, just click on save. So that's how you add YouTube link to Facebook. Hope we help.